Hey, it's Race doing my modular reflection. I think it's important for teachers to have a good base of technology resolution and compression because technology's in the classroom now. There's no way getting around it. With COVID and online schooling now, technology has to be involved with school. So, say you're presenting a video or sending in a 16-page paper, you're going to want to know how to compress that document and send it in. That way, the teachers can grade it. And by us learning this now, we can pass this on to our students and help them succeed, especially with COVID, because more technology will be involved due to distance learning and things like that. I did not really like Prezi. I feel like PowerPoint is just a lot more efficient. Prezi has a lot more transitions and different formats than PowerPoint does, but you also have to pay for those advanced formats and transitions like that. With PowerPoint, I don't feel like you're not pressured to buy anything. A challenge that I had with doing the Prezi is at first I was trying to upload the pictures and I could not figure out how to until I went back and looked at the files and the files names, and instead of saving the video under JPEG, I saved it under a hyperlink, so that's why I wouldn't pull it up. And I got really frustrated, and I didn't know why it wasn't pulling up the picture onto the Prezi. I like working with Screencast. I feel like it's really easy to use. The editing's really easy. You can just skip back and copy over what you already recorded, especially when you mess up, because I do that a lot. So I will skip back and redo this a lot before I actually post it. I think that screen recording yourself doing something to send to your students is a very helpful thing to do. Like we did in part 2, I did a PowerPoint. Like I screen recorded myself doing a PowerPoint, and I showed them how to add transitions and animations to the PowerPoint. That way it has more flair instead of the plain boring, you just skip straight to slide with no extra animations. So I think that there are a lot of different ways that screen recording yourself can be used. I just have to get used to it because I am very awkward when it comes to these type of things. So thank you.